Yeah, we'll make our way back to the front after.
Yeah, no worries, man.
Yo, do you see Anaconda?
Even being in a boat,
See the water.
you see that swimming alongside me.
Whoa.
It's sad because they recently found like the longest one ever. They went diving.
Whoa.
I think
Where's that? Oh, that's nice. Yo, can you do the AI up for this?
You want me to do it on this?
Yeah, that'd be sick.
I'm gonna do it on it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That looks sick.
Do it on it.
Two folder. What is it?
Yes.
Oh yes. Oh, the oarfish. I think it's a poke your answer that.
Yeah, just in there.
Oh, he'll love it. No. All these weird people.
My feet's kind of hurting.
Oh.
Is that all that?
Whoa, so it's big. Okay.
I swear panda is better than it's like chubbier.
Kansas. Never back. Oh, that's a real fish. Yeah. It's nice. Like, fucking people, man. It's
We're all bleaching.
yeah, what the fuck? Oh, the giant crab. Over there. Oh, yeah. The heck is that? Knew it. I remember this was somewhere else.
Oh, I don't.
Is that the biggest?
That's a crabby.
People are fucking kids.
I'll show you. I'll show you.
Very nice. So there's one bigger than that. What? Oh, that's too good. Fuck ass. That's cool. Weird.
So in Japan, the thickness is just in Japan.
Whoa.
Alright? That's in Japan and there's Singapore. This is the world's biggest one.
Don't tell me that guy, he cooked it.
I really don't sure.
Hope not. Wow. That's big. What?
The biggest one in the world right now is in Singapore.
Whoa. Singapore. Yeah, I mean, that's huge, dude. What the heck? It's actually a shit thing. Like, oh, nice. Yo, fucking lesbians, dude.
Few rocks over there.
Nope, no T-Rex. T-Rex. Oh, yes you can. Oh, okay. Hawaii. Oh, the oarfish. I think it's an oarfish. Turner. Yes, it is. That's an oarfish. Fucking love
I
this.
remember this, but I don't remember
Yeah, so good.
I remember this.
I remember that. I don't. Want to check out these?
Yeah.
Over here. Why bring the fucking kids, man? Yo, they're
There's a
bats.
package. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's one package.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
scary.
50. Whoa, what the?
That's
Whoa.
that's a big rat.
That's-
That's actually a rat.
Yeah.
That's a big rat.
That was like mid-size. Whoa. Oh yeah. Yeah, just see this and go over there. Whoa. The heck is that? Oh. 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 Oh, deers. I hope you see a deer. Deers this year. Oh, oh that's nice.
Have you want it? Like just
Oh, like that? Yeah.
yeah, just a single.
Hmm.
Not like half size. Zoom in.
Oh, it's open?
Just half bottom.
Okay. Give me a sec.